The bacterial cell, prokaryotic cells, the smallest and simplest type of cell, are the building blocks of bacteria and archaea. Despite their simplicity, they possess a remarkable ability to survive and thrive in diverse environments. Let's delve into the detailed structure of a prokaryotic cell. Cell wall function provides structural support, shape, and protection against the external environment. Composition, primarily composed of peptidoglycan in bacteria and pseudopeptidoglycan in archaea. Types: gram-positive bacteria have a thick peptidoglycan layer, while gram-negative bacteria have a thin layer surrounded by an outer membrane. Cell membrane function controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Structure: a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Cytoplasm function: a gel-like substance that fills the cell and contains various cellular components. Contents: ribosomes, plasmids, and other cellular structure. Ribosomes function: the sites of protein synthesis. Structure: composed of RNA and protein. Plasmids function: extrachromosomal DNA molecules that can replicate independently of the main chromosome. Role: confer additional traits, such as antibiotic resistance or the ability to produce toxins. Nucleoid function: the region within the cytoplasm where the cell's genetic material is located. Structure: a circular DNA molecule. Flagellar function: motility structures that enable the cell to move. Structure: a long, whip-like filament made of protein. Pili function: hair-like structures that aid in attachment to surfaces and other cells. Types: fimbriae are shorter and more numerous than pili. Other structures: capsule: a layer of polysaccharide or protein that surrounds the cell wall and provides protection and adherence.